How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of belly fat in 1 minute for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. Here's the thing about belly fat. A lot of people that try to lose weight, they eat lots of fruits, lots of vegetables. That's okay, that's good. Here's the thing though, fruits and vegetables do not fill you up. What you need to increase is your protein intake. Protein is the #1 macronutrient for trying to lose weight. Why? One, it fills you up. It is the most satisfying macronutrient that has been proven by science. So when you're trying to lose weight, you want to feel as full as possible so you don't eat excessive amount of calories. The second thing is protein will maintain muscle mass. Generally, when people try to lose weight, especially beginners, they can lose the weight, but they lose a lot of muscle. When you lose muscle and not fat, when you finally lose all the weight that you want to lose, you don't look as good because you lost a lot of muscle. You didn't really lose a lot of fat. So make sure that you're monitoring your protein intake. Make sure you're getting at least 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight of protein. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.